got your hand and everything is so easy. And I think that's the part that scares me. Do you feel the same? I've been searching with it, looking for the point where you went and the